everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I am going to show you how we are going to make these crochet lips, crochet smiling lips. In my YouTube channel I have different video tutorials for lips, but this lip pattern is bigger than the others. This is 10 centimeters. You can use this as a crochet applique. You can sew up these on crochet scarves, crochet bags, crochet cardigans, or you can make two and you can sew up and stuff inside it, and you can use as a crochet keyring. This is really very nice, dear friends. I really loved it. Also, you can stick this on the gift boxes. It will be a very nice for your loved people. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. I used acrylic color for these lips. Let me tell you how many play it is. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 play. It is totally 5 play yarn, dear friends. And according to the thickness of my yarn, I am using 4mm hook. You also need a scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. Okay, we are starting crochet. I am taking my yarn in my hand, and first of all I am making a slip knot. I am doing slip knot like this, and I am pulling this one. Upon this slip knot I am making 22 chains. Don't make the chains too tight because we are going to crochet on this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Yes, we made totally 22 chains. I'm taking a stitch marker in my hand. If you don't have a stitch marker like this, you can use a piece of different color yarn. It's no matter. Now, starting from the place that I made the last chain, I am counting 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11th stitch, I am putting a stitch marker like this. Okay, as I told you, if you don't have a stitch marker, you can tie it with a piece of different yarn for the remark, like this, dear friends. Now I am counting through chains. Look, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. I'm inserting my hook through the chain 3, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, yarn over, going to the following stitch, I am making a double crochet, yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. It's going on like this. Now I am making 2 times yarn over, going to the following stitch. In this stitch I am making 1 triple crochet, inserting my hook in there like this, yarn over, pull through, I am making a triple crochet, 2 by 2 I am making, pull through. Now again I'm making 2 times yarn over. I am going to the following stitch. In this stitch, this time I am making 3 times triple crochet. This is 1 time triple crochet. As you see, I am pulling through 2 by 2. One moment. This is 1 triple crochet. This is second triple crochet, and This is third triple crochet. Yes, it's been like this. As you see, it's going higher and higher. Now 2 times yarn over again, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, and one moment, yes, inserting my hook in there, making a triple crochet. Okay, yarn over, going to the following stitch. This time I am making a double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch. I am making a half double crochet, okay, it's been like this. Now we are in the stitch that we put the stitch marker. I'm removing the stitch marker and I am inserting my hook through the stitch that I removed the stitch marker, inserting my hook in there, and I am making a slip stitch. It's been like this. We made this part, only this part we made. We will go on making the other part of the upper lips. Now we will go on the same pattern in reverse. I mean, first of all, we are making a half double crochet in the following stitch. Here in the following stitch I'm inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a half double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch. This time we are making a double crochet, two times yarn over, going to the following stitch. This time we are making a triple crochet. As you see, it started to get high to the other side, like this. I'm making 2 times yarn over, going to the following stitch. In this stitch I'm making 3 times triple crochet. This is 1 time triple crochet, 2 times yarn over. This is second time triple crochet, two times yarn over, and this is third time triple crochet. Yes, like this. Step by step it started to get a lip shape. Now 2 times yarn over, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, one moment, like this, making a triple crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making a double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, again making a double crochet, like this. Now we are skipping 1, 2 stitch, going to the last one, inserting our hook in there and making a slip stitch in there. We are doing this in order to give a smiling shape to the lips. Now we will go on crocheting at the other side for the bottom of the lip. This is upper side of the lip. This will be the bottom side of the lip, and we will go on crocheting also at this side. First of all, we are inserting our hook through the stitch that we made slip stitch, I mean the last stitch, and in this stitch I am making 2 single crochet. I'm making 1 single crochet and inserting my hook in the same stitch. I'm making the second single crochet. Now stitch by stitch we are going to go on crochet at this side as well. We are making yarn over here, inserting our hook, making a double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making a double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch and making another double crochet like this. As you see, here we made 3 triple crochet at the other side. Now on this stitch I made a double crochet, 2 times yarn over. Now I am going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there and making a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over. I am going to the following stitch, making another triple crochet, 2 times yarn over. I'm going to the following stitch, making another triple crochet, okay, like this. Now we are in this stitch that we made a slip stitch at the other side here. You will remember at this side we made a slip stitch in there. In this stitch we are going to make 5 triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in that stitch and making triple crochet 1, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook through the same stitch, making triple crochet 2, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same stitch, making triple crochet 3, as like this, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in there, making triple crochet 4, like this, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in there, making triple crochet 5, okay, like this. Let me show you. Actually it's going on like this when finished. We have the last part. We will also make this part and the lips pattern is going to be end. Okay, let's go on. 2 times yarn over, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there like this, one moment, and making a triple crochet like this, 2 times yarn over. Again I'm going to the following stitch, making another triple crochet in there, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the following stitch, making another triple crochet, okay, let me show you. Now I am going to go on with 4 double crochet stitch by stitch, yarn over. Here this following stitch, you will remember we made 3 triple crochet at this side. In this side I am making 1 double crochet. This is my double crochet 1, yarn over, going to the following stitch. This is double crochet 2, yarn over, going to the following stitch. This is double crochet 3, going to the following stitch. This is double crochet 4. We nearly finished. There is just a few steps to finish like this, as you see. Now I am going to the following stitch, making a single crochet in there. Now I am at last, inserting my hook at top, making the last single stitch. I am making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. Okay, dear friends, it's finished. We are shaping it with our hands like this. Yes, it is like this. Now we are going to hide these yarn ends. For this reason, I am turning to the other side. I am taking a small size hook in my hand, 1.5 millimeters hook. Normally you can go on with the same hook that you already crochet, but it is easier to go on while hiding the yarn ends with small size hook. You can also use needle, darning needle, in order to hide, but it is the easier way for me. In the back side, I am sliding the stitches step by step in order to hide it. Okay, I am cutting. In the same way, you are hiding this end also. Yes, I've hidden the yarn ends at the other side as well. It is like this, dear friends. The lips finished completely. This is the other one. You can sew up these on the scarves, on the hats, on the bags. You can stick these on the gift boxes. It is really very nice. I really loved it. And you can sew up them to each other like this. You can stuff it with something and you can use it as a key ring, as a bag charm if you like. I really loved it, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you also love this project. I really like sharing this kind of projects with you. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.